Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today what we are going to do is we are going to add an infrared security intrusion detection. For this house is a very simple house. In fact, this is the simplest house one can make. We have created this and the link to this video is provided in the description. What we are going to do is at Schogini Toys, we offer a DIY kit containing infrared sensor. So that is the kit that we are going to use to add a very simple infrared intrusion detection. So I'm going to show you how that kit is going to work. Okay, so these are the modules that come with the kit. We have a power module, then we have an alarm controller module, and then we have the infrared sensor. So here we have the infrared receiver, then here we have the infrared transmitter. So how this works is when we switch it on, you have to first arm the alarm by pressing. Okay, so now this alarm is active, and if some intrusion happens in between, alarm triggers. Again, let's try. See? So what we're going to do is, I have made a hole here. You see this? I will place this alarm system inside. Okay. Okay, so I have placed the alarm system inside. You can see that the alarm is armed. Now if some intrusion happens, you will see that alarm triggers. Let's try again. Okay, so this is a very nice intruder alarm that you can add to your school projects. Okay, now for this you need some electronic circuit, but we are giving these circuits as pre-assembled small modules which you can easily connect and use it. Okay, so that is the mechanism. Arm it. Okay, so this house also has a simple alarm mechanism attached to this door. Okay, so this house has double protection. So this house has a door security protection as well as an infrared proximity sensor. Okay, so such projects are very nice for participating in school science exhibitions. So this will be a very nice exhibit which you all can easily build. So you can choose the simple buzzer-based, door-based intruder detection, or you can use the more sophisticated Schogini Toys kit-based infrared intrusion detection.
Perfect, that is it. So this is a nice and interesting project which you can easily make at home on your own. You can easily use this as a school science project or as an exhibit for school science exhibitions. And remember, all the items that I have used for this project are listed in the description. At Schogini Toys, we also make such ready-to-build DIY kits with all the parts required. They're available in Amazon and the link is there in the description. And please do share, comment and like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Schogini Toys, for more similar fun and interesting videos for your school science projects like this. See you soon with more videos like this which all of us can do. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.